Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include remote start, keyless entry, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, and has been listed as an IIHS Top Safety Pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, security system, compass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.